strangers, yeah. I'm flipping new shit, bruh. I ain't gotta do shit, bruh. I be on some cool shit, bruh. Sometimes it gets.
You know the rock Timbs with the swells, Aztec bandana on the brim, gold in my mouth, pose in the house, blown on the couch, flex hard. No days in the gym, grade A in the J, grade A on the tag. Never had good grades, but you can't grade swag. I never say that, I never say, can you do it better than a never jacket ever? Cause I'm really put together. You gotta get it right, get a blunt, get a light, got a front, get it twice. Over then you make it nice, feed the fam if you try. I'm living so free that I'm scared to die. What you talking about? I'm speaking on futures in the past. You could run it all your life and still make it last, or you could get up on the grind and really make it last. Sometimes it gets scary when the money come fast. That's a little dangerous.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my bike check. This is my new bike. For the next, I'm gonna show my pegs. I got Fix and Troop PC pegs with what's it called? A hub guard. I'm not sure what hub guard is. It's a Primo drive side hub guard for a switch. Cold butter peg. For my rim, I have a G-Sport rim laced to a Salt Plus free coaster / machete wood 10's fault. I have a dent in my tire here, which is really weird. I have Stranger Ballast tires 2.45. For my frame, I have Stranger Ballast LTD frame, really nice frame, really strong. For my seat post, I have stolen Slinger seat post, I'm pretty sure, with a Stranger. I don't remember what my seat is. It's a Stranger seat though. It's really nice tie-dye. For my cranks, I have stolen cranks with, if you come back here, I have a KMZ, I'm pretty sure, KMC, whatever it's called, 410 chain, Chick+Clip with a Colt, that Dakota Rose Chase sprocket with Odyssey Twisted PC cranks. And for my bars, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. For my bars, I have Koni Hardy bars in 8.65 with a Stranger Haze stem that I painted black from chrome. I have I don't even know what headset I have. I also have Primo Pro Forks with a Fix and Troop PC peg in the front, plastic, and G-Sport E-Line hub guard. And and the grips I have ODIs. For the rim I have Stolen Rampage, complete with ballast tires in the front as well. And for my grips, I have called ODI Super Softs. So yeah, that's my 2016-2017 bike check. I'm probably gonna have this bike for a long time, so I'm probably not gonna change anything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.